Hey guys, it's Shannon. I am back with another monthly subscription box opening of Simply Earth. I am so excited about this. I love Simply Earth. You guys know that already. But this month I am even more excited because look at this huge box that came in the mail. It says bonus box. So we are going to dive into this and see what all kind of goodies are in here for the March 2018 Simply Earth unboxing. So let me tell you a little bit about Simply Earth if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Simply Earth is actually a monthly subscription box that sends you essential oils and recipe cards and all of the items that you need to create those recipes. So Simply Earth has actually changed things just a little bit from my previous videos, and that big change is that you will get a bonus box as big as this for your first box and then every 6 months after that. So basically you're going to be getting 6 months worth of your carrier oils and your containers all at one time, and then each month you will be getting your 4 essential oils, some extras, your recipe cards, and that kind of thing monthly. So you'll still be getting a monthly subscription box. However, you're going to get this big, awesome bonus box once you sign up, and then also every 6 months after that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and we're actually gonna go through what comes in the bonus box first, and then we will see what comes in our March special monthly. So the first thing I see is a card that says, here's your big bonus. So it actually gives you a rundown of how your subscription will play out. So like this month it says this box you get your big bonus box plus your recipe box, and then month 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 you get your recipe box, and then for your 6th month again you get a big bonus box plus your recipe box. So this card actually explains what's in your big bonus box. It says your big bonus box includes a carrier oil, hard oil, beeswax, and containers to get you through the next 6 recipe boxes. Each month, you'll still receive your recipe box jam-packed with 4 essential oils, recipe cards, and fun extras. So I'm actually really loving how they have this set up now. And then here's the value of all the things that you're getting in your big bonus box, which is an over $50 value. So this is actually our monthly, our March box. This little surprise guy right here. So we're gonna set this off to the side, and we're gonna see all the great things that come in this bonus box. As you can see, it is like jam-packed in here. There's a ton of stuff, obviously well worth over $50 just by looking at it. So first we have 6 roller bottles. So these have lids and then the little metal roller balls. There's also 2 spray bottles, which I've had one of these for room sprays before in one of their previous boxes, and these are wonderful. I love these things. There is a squeeze bottle, a dropper. Definitely really nice bottles, nice glass amber bottles. There's also 2 of these smaller twist top containers. I also got some of these in a previous box and love these. They're little inhaler tubes. There is also sort of a medium-sized container here. It actually has a nice little top in there so that your lotion or whatever recipe we'll be making in this will not kind of spill out. There is a big bottle of almond oil, sweet almond oil, and this is a 4-ounce size. There is a plastic squeeze bottle, a plastic pumper bottle. That is cool. There are 4 chapstick tubes, so I guess we'll be making some chapstick soon. I cannot wait to do that. I love to use natural lip balms. There are 6 of these little diffuser dropper bottles, so you can create your own blend of essential oils to drop into your diffuser. There is this big container of coconut oil. This is 100% pure, no preservatives, no solvents, and it is a big container of nice coconut oil. There is also a pouch full of beeswax. And then there is a very nice glass container with a plastic lid. And last but not least, a metal tin with a clear lid. So that is really neat. So I actually have laid out here all of the wonderful things that you'll be receiving in your huge bonus box, your very first box that you'll get when you subscribe, and also every 6 months after that. So now that we've seen what's in the bonus box, let's go ahead and dive into our monthly box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. This is for March 2018. And on top here, we have our recipes. So in every monthly subscription box, you get a set of recipes, which will coincide with what's inside your box. And the ingredients, most of the ingredients are in here. And some you'll have to kind of grab from your cabinets, but nothing too fancy. But let's see what kind of recipes we get this month. So there is a laundry scent booster. Love is in the air blend. So there's a love massage oil, love diffuser, and a love necklace. So there's actually 3 on there. Winter lip balm, because we all need that right now for sure. Winter is hanging on. There is a Be Calm. So this actually goes on your necklace. Next is Energizing Jewelry Blend. And then Brighten That Mood Blend, because little do you know that essential oils are great for homeopathic uses, but they're also great to kind of help enhance your mood. So let's see what else is in here. All right, absolutely love this about Simply Earth. They not only send you all these great things, but they also make sure that you're nice and organized, and they send you stickers to go on your bottles and the items that you're creating. So this one has the laundry scent booster, all of the different blends and essential oils that you get in your box, and then also labels for your lip balm. Now on to the oils. You actually get 4 oils in every single month's subscription box. And let me tell you, they definitely add up fast, and you get a nice arsenal of essential oils after just a few months of getting Simply Earth. And I love having all of those on hand. So the oils you get for March are a love oil, cardamom, blood orange, and lavender. So what I'm gonna do is take these out of the boxes and show you what the oils look like. All right, so here is a look at the bottles that you get with your subscription. These 3 are all 15 mLs, and this one is a 5 ml bottle. And then last but not least in our box is this World Changer necklace, which has a bead on it that you actually drop your essential oils onto. So you can wear your necklace, which is so stinking cute, and you can kind of have that lovely smell and scent and calming effects of the essential oils as you go through your day. So here is a look at all the goodies from March. And if you guys are at all interested in getting into essential oils, or you are into essential oils, I highly recommend Simply Earth. They make it very, very easy to create your own homeopathic and natural remedies and cleaners and beauty products and things like that without you having to do all the research or shopping for all of the items. I want to thank Simply Earth for sponsoring this video. If you guys are at all interested in receiving the subscription box, they are offering you guys a very exclusive offer just for Daily DIYer watchers. And I will have more details about those offers in the description box below, so you can go check that out. So here is a big look at all of the great things that came in not only March's subscription box, but your big bonus box as well. So many wonderful, wonderful things. And the reason I love Simply Earth so much is because not only are you getting great things that are natural and good for you and healthy and safe, but that's also pretty much like a craft kit or a DIY kit. You get all of the things that you need to create these recipes, and it's fun to do too. So I absolutely love getting this box every month and using the products as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you don't miss when my videos do go live. And I see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.